Guys, I'm gonna end this live. So that's all for today, guys. I'm gonna end this live now. And again, thank you so much for all of your support. For all of my support of who subscribe. Thank you so much. Shout out to Sweet Cherry, to my dear friend Andrew, and to all of my friends over there, my family, who supported me in my crazy doings. To all of you guys. And again, for those who are new to my channel, subscribe, like, and share. Click that notification bell, and if you are uh, type kind of person who wants to give something or maybe sponsor, you know, my phone is so broken, guys, and I need to fix the phone for my vlog, for my lives. And that's it. Thank you so much for all of your support. This is Mr. Sleepy Guy again, saying bye bye. I'm gonna sleep, and I can't do sleep soon today because I stream like 3 times today, so I'm just gonna save for the next morning or the next day, maybe. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. I love you all. Take care, and good day to all. Okay, guys. I love you all, guys. Hearts for all of you. Bye bye. Sweet Jerry, my dear friend Andrew. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Love and love and love and love, and for all who support my